Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all to the ScienceNest YouTube channel. Today, we are going to see special practical that can be seen in grade 10 and grade 7 syllabus. And also, this practical is very important for the O-level students also. The practical is to identify the proteins. There's a special name for this practical, that is the Biurette test. From here, we will see what are the steps to do the Biurette test.
To do the practical, first you should take some amount of egg white. After that, make a mixture by adding egg white in water. To make the mixture, add about 2 milliliters of egg white and add some amount of water into the test tube. Now mix the solution well. After that, make a solution of sodium hydroxide and copper sulfate by dissolving them in water. To do this, you have to take the powders of sodium hydroxide and copper sulfate. Measure 2 milliliters of sodium hydroxide solution and add it first to the egg white solution. Then add a few drops of copper sulfate solution to the test tube containing egg white and sodium hydroxide. When mixing well, you can observe the purple color in the solution. So we can prove that egg white contains proteins. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to watch more videos like this.